Thank you for exploring our brief tutorial on color-coded time blocking. A lot happens in a year that makes up the 365 days we live. Let's talk about how to make the most of the ones that we dedicate to our work life. First, we'll take a moment to define the colors that we're going to be working with. Pink is for personal time, doing what you love with those that you love. And we need to book time for the yellow activities. Those are activities that maintain your business, such as training, scheduling showings, previewing properties, and studying the market. Blue is time dedicated to building our business, seeking new buyers and sellers to offer our services. And green appears on our calendar when we're actually in front of a buyer showing them property or meeting with the seller to offer our listing services. Let's start with pink because that is the most important time to block on our calendar. This agent has decided to take every Sunday off, also has 2 weeks vacation planned, and it looks like there's a wedding sometime in June. Although maintenance activities can sometimes surprise us, for the most part, they can be booked ahead of time. This agent has scheduled Sundays and Mondays as days off, is attending a business convention in February, and has dedicated Wednesdays to pitch sessions, broker open houses, visiting new construction, or other market research activities. That calendar's looking pretty full, and now it's time to put in our business building activities. These activities will likely be scheduled electronically and move to a monthly and weekly view. Some quiet time each week is important to review the monthly overview. This agent has scheduled 1 hour a day for social media, goes to a networking group twice a month, does a marketing newsletter once a month, and does follow-up calls every Friday afternoon. Then they do an open house every Saturday. It looks like this agent had to go to the doctor this week, so they chose to do that on their day off on Monday. They also chose to do door knocking for their open house on Friday afternoon, so they'll have to find another space for their follow-up calls. As you may have noticed, green did not appear on the calendar in advance, because until we put the activities of lead generation together with our skill, we don't make green. Yes, just like we learned in 3rd grade art class, yellow and blue make green. And if you put your yellow activities of building your skill together with blue activities of building your business, you will get to green, which is buyer and seller appointments. If you'd like to see a live presentation of color-coded time blocking at the 10-Minute Business Plan by Lisa Spencer, please check out our calendar at lisaspencerconsulting.com.